Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we shall learn about statistical analysis and the determination of outliers. A data set for the concentration of caffeine in ppm in 10 coffee samples is reported as follows. Analyze whether the outlier should be retained or discarded from the data set at a confidence level of 95%. So the first thing that you need to do in order to answer this question is to find the mean of this value. So mean, or in other words, the average is the summation of all numbers divided by the amount of the numbers. So altogether we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically you will get the mean is equivalent to 96 divided by 10. So is 9.6. That is the mean value for this set of number. So next up, we are going to find the standard deviation. So in order for you to find the standard deviation, every number needs to be minus the mean and then to the power of 2. For example, the first number is 9. So 9 minus 9.6, which is the mean, square, plus second number is 9 again, minus 9.6 square, plus 10 minus 9.6 square, and so on. So after you have done the summation of this, you should be able to get the total is equivalent to 16.4. Right? After that, you can finally calculate what is the standard deviation. So standard deviation is equivalent to the square root of the summation just now, which is 16.4, divided by the number of sample, which is 10 minus 1. So your standard deviation should be equivalent to the square root of 1.8222. Therefore, you will get your standard deviation equivalent to 1.3499. In the question, you also be given the g-test table. So it means that the question wants you to calculate the g-test. So in order for you to do the g-test, you need to find what is the outlier, because the formula for g-test is the outlier minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Make sure that this part is having the modulus, so no matter it's negative or positive, it's going to always be positive. So from this set of number, you need to find what is your outliers. So apparently 13 is your outliers. So 13 minus your mean, just now your mean is 9.6, modulus, and your standard deviation is equivalent to 1.3499. Hence, from this calculation, you will get your g-test is equivalent to 2.5187. So this is the g-test that you have calculated. Right, so now what we are going to do is we need to refer to your g-test table. So the number of sample is 10 sample, so 10. And you need to find 95% confidence level. So this is 95%. We go around here. So we can say that the G critical is equivalent to 2.1760, and your G test is the one that you have calculated, equivalent to 2.5187. So in other words, we say that the G test is bigger than your G critical. Therefore, we should omit the data point. So this is the final answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.